Family, good morning. Is your child marked for awakening in this era that we are at? Almost every child that is born from 2021 and beyond, their souls have volunteered to be the future of this awakening that is happening. They are going to humble us, scorn us, advise us, warn us. We need to pay attention to the kids of today. I want to make an example of the kids that are marked for awakening. These ones are not going to connect with the system at all from a young age. And these are the future awakening people that are going to be fully blown awake. Abazubana's mistakes, Abazubana Ndoni, they're going to be sitting on the throne of awakening. If you have a child that is struggling at school, ude lo mntana esikolweni une tutors, une extra classes, une ndondoni, but they do not grasp what is happening, that child is actually not connecting with the system. Lo mntana lo is actually marked for awakening. The best thing to do for umntana onjalo, you have to know what is their purpose. Bathanda ndoni, they are creative, bathanda uthetha, do it debate speech and stuff like that. Put them in a place where they are born to be. Ungakulinge umfrustrate kakhulu ube umxelela ngo A no B, as long befumani pass mark, that's okay. That child is marked for awakening. And then number 2, I want to talk about a child that is inquisitive. I remember at the age of 6 to 7, esikolweni we used to sing this song, Gama kunkosi yam ndicela uxolo ngala matyala am esiwenzileyo. And then I came home one day, I asked utatomkhulu wam owayengumfundisi uba tamkhulu kanti kutheni esikolweni ndiculiswa ingoma ethi ndinamatyala, ngawaphi la matyala ndiwenzileyo? And I remember utamkhulu wam was shocked. I'm like, and understand, but how can ndithi ndimncinca kuthiwa ndinamatyala? Because if ndiye ndamosha umuntu mna ndicela uxolo, kutheni ngokufuneka ndide ndicela uxolo kunkosi yam, ndiyenze ntoni kutheni? So these are the kids that are having the same questions bethunana. Pay attention. These are the kids that are marked for awakening. If you have a child that is asking imibuzo engaphaya uqomba nawe ugasuzikrwempa inhloko or uthetha izinto oqonda yanga sendizikrwempa inhloko njengala mntana ndithanda uthetha ngaye walapha ku TikTok, lo ndimthandayo ungumfana. Number 3, I don't know if you've watched the video of celebrity Christy Sarah. They went to buy a new home, a new mansion, bayangena kulandlu bahamba nabantwana baba bayi2, and then there's this little one xa bebelele ke bayamvusa esebuthongweni. Definitely enala soul ngela xesha bamsapha kulandlu. Xa efika pha kulandlu, everyone is excited about the house, and the child is saying, okay, a house is just a house, a tree is just a tree. Agqibathi kuthiwa makabaleke athi, how can I run when my body is already tired? Bethunana, that is a child that is marked for awakening. Those rebellious souls ezizithi hayi mna andizelanga yonke le mpitshi andiyiboni ne-difference yoba hleli kwindlu enkulu or hleli indlu encinci, indlu yindlu qha. So I'm talking to you that you must understand that if your child has these 3 pointers, more ke bethunana, but I'll put others. Join me on my live on Thursday. We'll talk more about these kids, because these are the kids that are sent to even to us adults. Bantu bathunyiwe for awakening to take homework pakuba zeziphi ezinye izinto kufuneka sizenzile apha ku awakening. They are pure, they are clean, they are ruthless, they do not play. They will advise you if wenza into wrong, they will tell you straight, abajikajiki. And don't bend them, nurture them. Love and light family, everything is working out for me. Apho nyathela khona khokhela ukhanya, apho ngihlala khona khokhela ukhanya. Peace out fam.